And does always stop when I try and record it. Do your little bark again. What the hell are they doing? You wanna fight Fivel? She's so cute. You're just so cute. No, she's backing away. She doesn't want to fight him anymore. She doesn't want to fight you, Fivel. Where's that one doing? It's like licking the stool. Do your funny noises again. Sound like aliens when they make those noises. Are you going to bed? Tired? Marley, stop nudging the camera. Oh, they're fighting. Get out. This is my bed.
Pudgy, you take too much room.
Fivel, play gentle, remember? Play nice. That one's going to bed, it's getting comfy. You know, Pudgy, are you going to go to bed as well? You've been up for all of... No, she's coming out as well. You've been up for all of 10 minutes. I'll say it's bedtime. Say it's bedtime for you. Be careful, Patch. Ready to go out? Come on. Mommy. Come here. Come here. You don't get out there. Mommy knows how to behave. You two don't. We are on. Good boy. Now, Pat, come here. You're the little troublemaker, aren't you? I reckon we're going to have problems walking you with these two. Maybe you'll surprise us. Please surprise us when we get. Patch is a puller, aren't you, Patch? You're a puller. Now where is Tinkerbell's collar? Tinkerbell, where did Dada put your collar? Dada's not even here, so we can't even ask him. So this could be problematic. This collar's not going to fit. That's probably not going to fit. I'm going to put Marley's disgusting brown collar on you. Tinkerbell, come here. Come. Oh, that'll do. Nice and tight on you. Right. So, what leads are we using? I'm going to use this one. We're going to use who are we attaching together? I'll probably change this later. In fact, I don't know. I'll try to use toothbrush. And Marley is going to get his normal feed. But this is just a fun walk, just for toilets and sniffs. So Marley's just going to be acting like a random dog, especially with Patch here. Patch is a little monster. He does not know how to behave. He's a little attention seeker and he likes to cause trouble and he pulls really bad. He's not very well leash trained right now. But hang on, I'm going to change the trainers because I could try and... Get ready for doggies! Are we ready? Is everyone ready? Right, get your bag on. Oh, I'll put my bag on. With your put bags and stuff. Oh. Right, we need to make sure that you two are properly attached. See, he's mental. But Marley, we don't even have your thing on yet. This is going to be stressful with Patch. It was just Tinkerbell and Marley. It would be a really calm walk and they would be really well behaved. But Patch is mental and it makes them mental. And time to go. We'll be entangled. Come on. For doggies. They're on a mission. Trying to pull me over. Monkey, you're getting tangled. We need to turn back in a minute, babies. We need to turn back. But wait. Wait. Too slidey to the cord, so I had to just walk until now. We're going home.